So good morning, my dear children. Today we are beginning a chapter in a computer which is very important, that is presentation software. So what is presentation software? The method of displaying information with the help of pictures, maps, charts, audios, videos and text is called a presentation. For example, if you will
I
take,
write in MPS Note.
yeah, MS PowerPoint in MS Office is example of presentation. What are the uses? The uses are smart classes in schools, student project work. You must have been doing some project work, and PPT or PowerPoint is very helpful to represent the project by a presentation. Then salesperson to present their products. Suppose big multinational companies, what they do to present their product, उनके जो product को वो present करते हैं by a presentation or by the some sort of pictures, text, data, graphs, उसके हिसाब से वो अपना पीपीटी बनाते हैं और वो प्रेजेंट करते हैं. और ऑफिस वर्क्स एंड मीटिंग्स आजकल पीपीटी इज अ मस्ट, पावर पॉइंट इज अ मस्ट इन ऑफिस वर्क्स. Officers, the big multinational business companies, all the works, software companies, they need presentation. What are the components? Title bar. This is the title bar. You can see title bar. The ribbon. This is the ribbon. You can see over here. Ribbon is there. Then file tab. Here you can see the file tab. Slide pane. Here is the slide pane. You see navigation pane. You can see over the navigation pane here. Status bar. You can see here. It is the status bar. It is the status bar. So my dear student, these are the components which I've already learned. Now you will learn how to create a presentation. You have already learned about the normal thing or the basics to do the presentation. Now suppose I will start with how to make a presentation. I will start with adding text to a slide. How to add a text to a slide. So you have to just click inside the placeholder and start typing. It is the placeholder, you see. Just start typing. Suppose I will write just inside the placeholder, or I will click anywhere. It will show me the text. Okay, and you can also insert the text box. You see, I can also insert the text box from here. Insert text box. I want to insert a text bar over here. I want to insert text box over here, and you have right here. I can insert the text box over here by going to the ribbon and clicking the insert and then the text box and selecting the size of the text box what I want. And I can insert the text box here. I can also insert pictures. I can also insert pictures from the text box. I can also insert pictures from the text box like, yeah, I have inserted this picture in the presentation. Sorry, not in the text box, in the slide. This is a slide in which I have inserted a picture. I have used this insert and go to the pictures, and the desired picture you can insert into the slide. Okay. You can go to the picture library in your desktop or laptop you were having. You can see it over there. There will be a picture library in which you can search for the picture, and the picture will be the desired picture what you want. It will be present, and you can bring that picture to the slide by using the insert option. Insert option, and you have to the picture, insert pictures. You can see this, and from this you can insert a picture. Then how to save a presentation? how to save a presentation. Suppose you have to go to the file and you have to click on save. To click on save or save as. You click on save and thus that is saved. The presentation is saved. Okay. Or you can click on the menu also and the presentation is